Hello, my friends. Have you ever wondered why life sometimes feels so complicated? Why does it feel as though every step forward is met with resistance? Today, let me tell you something profoundly simple yet transformative. The key to everything you desire lies in effortlessness. Yes, the effortless way. It is not about straining, struggling, or battling through life. Instead, it's about aligning yourself with the flow of what you truly want. When you hear the word effortless, it may feel like a contradiction to everything you've been taught. Society has conditioned us to believe that success, happiness, and fulfillment demand hard work and sacrifice. But the truth is, the universe doesn't operate on struggle, it operates on ease. Your life, your reality, is shaped by the assumptions you hold, the quiet, unspoken beliefs you accept as true. If you believe things must be hard, they will be. If you believe life can unfold gracefully, it will. Effortlessness begins with your mind. The first step is understanding that creation starts within. Every single thing you experience in life is a reflection of what you've accepted as true in your inner world. This isn't about wishful thinking or hoping things will get better. It's about knowing, with quiet confidence, that what you imagine is already yours. For example, let's say you desire financial freedom. Most people focus on the lack of money, worrying about bills and expenses. That very focus on lack keeps them stuck. But when you shift your attention to the feeling of already having abundance, when you truly feel it in your being as though it's real, life begins to rearrange itself effortlessly to match that state. Here's the beauty of it, you don't need to figure out how it will happen. Your job is to feel the end result and trust the process. The how is not your concern. This is where so many get caught up, they try to force outcomes, manipulate circumstances, or control every step. But the truth is, the universe is infinitely more intelligent than we can comprehend. When you allow yourself to trust, to relax into the knowing, life flows. This is not about passivity. Effortlessness doesn't mean doing nothing. It means inspired action. When you align with the state of having your desire, the actions you take will feel natural and unforced. Think of it this way, a bird doesn't strain to fly, it simply spreads its wings and lets the wind carry it. In the same way, your alignment with your desires will carry you effortlessly to their fulfillment. Let me share something important. Your imagination is the gateway to this effortless life. It's not just daydreaming, it's the tool by which you create reality. When you close your eyes and vividly imagine the life you want, you are planting the seeds of that life. The more you revisit this state, the more real it becomes. And soon, you will see it reflected in your external world. Many people misunderstand this concept. They think they need to visualize obsessively or for long hours. That's not true. What matters is the quality of the feeling, not the quantity of time spent imagining. Even a few moments of truly feeling the reality of your desire as if it's already yours can set powerful forces in motion. The effortless way also requires letting go of resistance. Resistance comes in many forms: doubt, fear, impatience. When you find yourself questioning if your desire will ever come, remind yourself that the very act of questioning is resistance. Instead, return to the feeling of having it now. Trust that it's already done. You see, life is always mirroring your state of being. If you feel frustrated, anxious, or desperate, that's what you'll see reflected. But when you cultivate a state of ease, gratitude, and fulfillment, life responds in kind. It's not magic, it's simply the law of being. To live the effortless way, you must also practice gratitude. Gratitude is more than saying, "thank you." It's a deep, sincere recognition of the abundance already present in your life. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you open the door to even more blessings. Gratitude shifts your state of being into alignment with abundance, making the process of creation smooth and natural. Effortlessness doesn't mean perfection. There will be moments when doubts creep in, when circumstances challenge your faith. But in those moments, remind yourself that your outer world is only a shadow of your inner state. The power to change anything lies within you. The effortless way is about trust. Trust in yourself, trust in the process, and trust in the unseen forces working on your behalf. When you align with your desires and let go of the need to control every detail, life becomes a dance, a graceful, harmonious flow where everything unfolds perfectly in its own time. So, I ask you, what is it that you truly desire? Take a moment to feel it. Not with longing or desperation, but with quiet assurance that it's already yours. Close your eyes and step into that reality. See it, feel it, live it in your imagination. And then, release it with trust. The effortless way is not something you learn overnight, it's a practice. But the more you align with it, the more natural it becomes. Effortlessness often requires a shift in how we relate to time. So many of us feel bound by it, measuring success or failure against the clock. We worry about how long something will take or if it's too late to achieve what we want. But time is not your enemy, it's a tool. When you detach from the pressure of deadlines and allow yourself to trust that everything unfolds at the right moment, you free yourself from unnecessary stress. This doesn't mean sitting idle but rather aligning your actions with a sense of flow rather than urgency. Think of time as a friend, not a taskmaster. If you desire something deeply, realize that it's already in motion. Worrying about when only creates a sense of distance between you and what you want. Instead, focus on the state of having it. Time will adjust itself to your belief. This approach doesn't just bring ease, it also sharpens your intuition. You'll find yourself acting at the right moments, meeting the right people, and experiencing synchronicities that seem almost magical. Another important element of the effortless way is trust in the unseen. Life is filled with forces and connections beyond what our physical senses can perceive. Think of these forces as your unseen allies, orchestrating events and circumstances on your behalf. While you may not always understand how or why certain things happen, trust that they are part of a bigger picture working in your favor. When you stop resisting or questioning these unseen elements, you open the door to solutions and opportunities that may have otherwise gone unnoticed. Take a moment each day to step back from the noise of life. Sit quietly, breathe deeply, and allow your thoughts to settle. This isn't about forcing your mind to be quiet, it's about giving yourself space to experience calm. In these moments, you'll find inspiration and ideas that flow naturally, without effort. These moments of stillness are where true alignment begins, and from this alignment, action becomes effortless. Living the effortless way also requires that we redefine success. Too often, success is framed as achieving specific outcomes. But what if success is simply living in alignment with your true self? When you stop measuring your life against external markers and start valuing how you feel and how aligned you are with your desires, success takes on a whole new meaning. It becomes personal, peaceful, and uniquely yours. Soon, you'll find that life no longer feels like a struggle but a beautiful, unfolding journey where everything flows to you with ease. Take this moment to shift your perspective. Start seeing life as your partner, not your opponent. Trust that everything is working in your favor. Let your imagination guide you, and allow yourself to move through life with grace. This is the effortless way, and it's available to you right now. Can you feel the shift already? That sense of ease, of knowing that life doesn't have to be hard. Hold on to that feeling. It's your compass, pointing you toward the life you've always desired. Now, go forth and live it.